Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your public access TV station businesses. For example, you have public access TV station in where your customer can book a schedule, send feedbacks or request airtime. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever your customer send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your public access TV station business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of public access TV station, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sent it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Public Access TV station. I am your TV assistant here to help you stay connected with your local shows, events and airtime opportunities. How can I help you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is show schedule, request airtime and contact us. If I'll click on request airtime, then it will respond to me like this, that first send me your show or event name. So here I am giving my event name. Here I write it. After that, you can see it will respond to me like this, that thank you for sharing your event name. Now please give a short description of your event. So here I am providing a short description of my Laugh Fest Carnival event. Here I write it. After that, you can see it will respond to me like this, that request received, while providing me the event name, that is Laughest Carnival, that I'll provided them here, order ID and one respond message, that is we'll get back to you soon. If I'll click on show schedule, then it will respond to me like this, while providing me 3 different types of schedules, that is today's schedule, weekly schedule and monthly schedule. If I'll click on today's schedule, then it will respond to me like this, while providing me all the details of today's schedule. If I'll click on contact us, then it will respond to me like this. So basically this is how your chatbot will work and this is how your bot will respond to your customer automatically, instantly. You can create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your public access TV station business. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side, you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template, It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your WhatsApp chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer products, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. It will also solve your problems. Here we also provide a video of how to create an AI assistant for WhatsApp inside a Pabbly Chatflow. The ninth one is the activity log, where you can see all the activities, events, action or task you have occurred within the last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, in where you can manage your accounts, team members, integrations, API keys, etc. And the last one is the get help, where you can tell us about your problems and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this flow button. See, this is the page where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of flow builder. Here you can also see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our public access TV station business, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that was started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your customer that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of public access TV station. Now I want to write one welcome message for my customer. For that I am selecting this media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here. Select media type as image and upload one image related to my public access TV station. By clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. I uploaded one image related to my public access TV station because it sounds more impactful and interesting towards my customer. After that I want to add one welcome message for them. For that I am clicking on this plus add content button. Choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my message. Here I write it. You can also enter caption in this enter caption box. At the end of this message I'll ask my customer that how can I help you today. So for answering this I am providing them some buttons to them. For that I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as show schedule. The second button I'll write is request airtime, and the third button I'll write is contact us. Here I write it. After that I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my customer. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now if my customer wants to know about the schedule, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For this I am taking one another text button. It will provide me one enter message box. I'll drag this box here and writing the details about the timing of shows. Here I write it. Now I'll give them some quick buttons by clicking on this plus add button. That is today's schedule, weekly schedule and monthly schedule. Here I write it. After that I'll connect this circle which are present in front of show schedule to this message. Here it is connected. After that if my customer wants to know about the today's schedule, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For this I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write the respond message. Here I write it all the details about today's schedule. Now if my customer wants to know about the weekly schedule, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the details about weekly schedule that are occurring in my public access TV station. Here I write it. After that the third one is the monthly schedule. If my customer wants to know about the monthly schedule, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and again choose content type as text plus button and writing the monthly schedule. Here I write it. Now the second one is the request airtime. If my customer wants to request an airtime in my public access TV station, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this action option and select the button as ask a question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and entering the message in this enter message box. At first I want to know about the name of the event or show that my customer wants to publish in my public access TV station. Here I write it. After that I'll select the contact custom field as event. The format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message, then you can write in this box. I already created this contact custom field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. After that I'll connect this circle which are present in front of request airtime to this message I write it here. It is connected. After that when my customer provide me their event name, then my bot will respond to them. For this I am again asking them one question that please provide a short description of your event. For this I am again taking one ask a question button. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a message that please provide me a short description of your event. Here I write it. After that in the select contact custom field I'll select as description and the format I'll write as any. After that I'll connect this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now if my customer will provide me both of these details, then my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button and writing the respond message in this enter message box. Here I write it. You can also see I'll use this dollar symbol before event because with the help of this symbol my bot will respond to the customer by their event name. Here I write it. You can also see I'll use this asterisk symbol in this message because with the help of this symbol this message will go to the WhatsApp business account of my customer in the bold format. Now the third one is the contact us. If my customer wants to directly contact with me, then they will click on this contact us button. So my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write the contact details of my public access TV station. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of your flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your public access TV station businesses. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. Now I'll give you a quick review about how this bot will respond to your customer instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of public access TV station. Hi, or instead of any message you can send. Here I send it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. That is, hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of public access TV station. I am your TV assistant here to help you stay connected with your local shows, events and airtime opportunities. How can I help you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is show schedule, request airtime and contact us, that we were written here. See, show schedule, request airtime, contact us. If I'll click on request airtime, then it will ask me for my event name. So here I am providing my event name. Here I write it, that is Laughest Carnival. After that you can see it will respond to me like this, that thank you for sharing your event name. Now please give a short description of your event. So here I am writing one short description of my event. Here I write it. After that you can see it will respond to me like this by my event name, that is Laughest Carnival. Request received, event name Laughest Carnival, order ID and one message that we'll get back to you soon. In the name of this event name it will provide me my event name. It is only done with the help of this symbol that we were used here, dollar symbol. If I'll click on show schedule, Then it will respond to me like this, that ready to see what's airing. Choose an option below to get started. That is today's schedule, weekly schedule and monthly schedule. If I'll click on today's schedule, then it will provide me all the details about today's schedule. If I'll click on weekly schedule, then it will provide me all the details. Now, if I'll click on contact us, then it will respond to me like this while providing me all the contact details of this public access TV station. So basically this is how your chatbot will work, and this is how your bot will respond to your customer automatically, instantly. You can create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your public access TV station businesses. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.